Yes, fuck congratulations, I just do what I'm supposed to. Focused on my growth and less about what I go through. Older homies told me it's crazy, I was born in '02. Grandma told me just be myself and my shine to glow through. Yeah, and I should take that advice. Going 88 with no brakes, having the time of my life. Whole time hoping I ain't wasting time in my life, and knowing that I'ma blow when my timing is right. Tryna roll a little sour, need some lime to ignite. Shit, I'm way too hard to drive, hope my license suffice. But if this don't come easy, I ain't piping it right. Well, I don't swerve out on the goddess for a hell of a night, right? Yeah, I swear I'm tired of that. She tell me time and time again she hates my lying ass. We going back and forth like racket pass of Arthur Ashe. I'm thinking maybe she prefer if I had larger cash. I know that's wrong, but I just wish that I ain't wanna back. Just tryna spark another wood and write these fucking raps. I make a product out my book and then go get the bag. I make a product out my book and then go get the, yeah. Look, I don't get tired of that. I'm going 88, no brakes towards all my future acts. I make a product out my book and then go get the bag. I make a product out my, say, look, do my thing up on a daily basis. I don't want it if it's not amazing. Vision real, I don't need a LASIK. Still it's hard for me to see through hatred. Pointed at myself and call it motivation till I'm gassed up and my motor shaking. Thinking, goddamn, I hope I make it. Like, yeah, I hope I make it. But when it happen, please don't mind me. I'm going 88, I think I'm about to time leave. And baby, I send you location, come and find me. But I just hope that you don't wanna pass by me, yeah. Said when it happen, please don't mind me. I'm going 88, I think I'm about to time leave. And baby, I send you location, come and find me. But I just hope that you don't wanna pass by me, yeah. Like, Sneeze from Richmond, Virginia, all the way to California, 804 to 323, clam shit.